Welcome to We're Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of March 12, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is St. Patrick's Day. The Night Before St. Patrick's Day by Natasha Wing, illustrated by Amy Wummer. 'Twas the night before St. Patrick's, the day to wear green. Not a creature was stirring, except Tim and Maureen. They decked out the den from ceiling to floor with streamers and rainbows and shamrocks galore. Later, they carefully made traps with gold charms and rings. I bet we catch a leprechaun, they love shiny things. For if they caught one, so the legend told, they'd find where he buried his big pot of gold. They set all the traps round the room with great care, in hopes a wee Irishman soon would be theirs. The children then nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of golden coins danced in their heads. "Happy St. Paddy's," said Dad early next morning. Then he started to play bagpipes without warning. He huffed and he puffed an old Irish song. Mom dished out green eggs and sang loudly along. When from their bedroom there arose such a clatter, the kids ran down the hallway to see what was the matter. And what to their wondering eyes should appear but a terrible mess. A leprechaun was here. "Be quiet," whispered Maureen. "He's hiding somewhere. When we find him, remember we must hold his stare. For if you look away, if you so much as blink, leprechauns vanish quick as a wink." The kids trailed muddy footprints back and forth across the floor, which led them under Tim's bed and past the closet door. And then, inside a trap, they heard someone giggling. A real live leprechaun. They both saw him wriggling. His eyes, how they twinkled, his body so tiny. His hands clasped a trinket so golden and shiny. He was dressed all in green from his head to his toes, and he looked like a cobbler wearing fairy-sized clothes. The children approached him, staring straight in his eyes. "Tell us where the gold is. Don't be tricky, no lies." "I buried it under a rock, smooth and hard. It's marked with an X right in your backyard." But when the kids went outside with their shovel and pick, they instantly saw it had been a big trick. "Ha ha, I fooled you. It's time to disappear. Happy St. Paddy's Day to you, and better luck next year." The end. Alright, we're going to make a St. Patrick's Day rainbow, and your craft to go kit includes a handful of cotton balls to make clouds, and a little paper plate arch with a shamrock attached to it. And what you're going to need is some glue to glue on the cotton balls. We'll do that last. And you'll need either paint, crayons, colored pencils, markers, whatever. I'm going to use, these are tempera paint markers. Paint sticks, I guess they're called. I'm going to use those. So all you're going to do is paint the rainbow or color the rainbow. It's a little hard to go straight with the bumps in the plate, but this is definitely paint. It's getting on my hand, as usual. I always have paint on me. So we're just gonna go ahead and color the rainbow. And then you're going to color the shamrock. I'm going to use the stark green to color the shamrock. I'm just going to lightly paint that. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, this is what my rainbow and shamrock look like. And I'm just going to add a few pom-poms with my glue. Not pom-poms, cotton balls, to make the clouds. So I'm just going to stick them on the ends. I gave you way more than you probably need, but that's up to you how many you want to put on. Put some clouds on this end. Now, if you want, you can fluff these out. I just decided to keep them as whole cotton balls, but you can fluff them up as much as you want. But that's what mine looks like. And we've got a rainbow with a shamrock, St. Patrick's Day rainbow.